I already don't like this.
The despair when it broke in my hands.
That's so real. Anyways, I'm scout cannoning.
That sounds
into a tree.
funnier.
He's scout cannoning it. He's scout cannoning it.
Actually, I think I'm gonna miss the tree with that.
I want to go first. I'll be the test subject. I'll be the test subject.
No, my scout. Oh, my. Yeah, tree.
He
He
lived.
shockingly lived that.
I mean, yeah, it gives you fall damage protection.
I got you.
Alright.
He threaded that shit.
Me next. Me next.
Your thing, bucko.
Broke off like a brick.